everybody! It's math time! Here is your lesson for today. Our target says, I can investigate ones and zeros in multiplication and division equations. I will show this by proving my answers with drawings. So here's our target. You can listen to me break it down so you understand exactly what to do. You're going to complete the pattern. We're switching it up a little today. Here's your sprint overview, your sprint timer. Here's your uploading to Seesaw directions and your links to Seesaw. Let me say that all again. Here is your sprint overview. This is just kind of me telling you what to do, how to do it, when to do it. Here's your 2-minute timer. If you want to use it, you can. If not, that's okay too. I just want to see how many problems you can get done in 2 minutes. You can use my timer or your own timer. And then this is just a refresher on if you don't remember how to upload your work to Seesaw. Watch this. Here is your link, turtles, rabbits, to Seesaw. After your sprint, you're going to tell me how many questions you finished in 2 minutes. Then you're going to watch this very interesting video, and you're going to work alongside me, either with your whiteboard and marker or your notebook and pencil. Either is just fine, but you are going to work alongside me just because it's fun and what we're doing is kind of cool to watch happen. So here's a nice video about that. And then there's this really tough question, but I know you guys are going to be able to answer it. You're going to do the same with zeros. Again, tough question, but if you watch the video, you'll be able to answer it. And then here are the directions for your problem set. So this is your work today. Submit your form when you're done, and don't forget to upload and then submit your pictures onto Seesaw. Good luck!